Welcome to Fun Online Maths. I'll be looking at a question on inverse functions today. Please follow me. The question says if f of x is equals to 3x over 5 plus 1, find f inverse of x. Now, there are steps to find f inverse of x. First of all, I have to look for f of x, but I will replace f of x with y, and then I'll make x the subject formula, and then we'll continue from there. So we have f of x is equals to 3x over 5 plus 1. Okay, now the first step is to replace f of x with y. All right, so instead of f of x, I'm going to write y equals to 3x over 5 plus 1. Now it will be easy for me to say, okay, find or make x the subject formula. To do that, let's say we move 1 first to the side. This is positive 1. We'll move it across the equality sign to the left hand side. It becomes negative 1. So we now have y minus 1 equals to 3x over 5. Okay, we are still looking for we're trying to make x the subject formula. While not cross multiply this with 5, and then we now have 5. I'll put this in bracket, into a bracket, y minus 1 equals to 3x. Okay, we still have a number attached to x. We want to remove all the numbers attached to it. That's subject formula. So remove this 3 that is attached to x by dividing both sides by 3. Okay, divide it by 3, and then we have x is equals to 5 into y minus 1 over 3. Okay, so at this point we can easily say, what do we do to make to get f inverse of x? Let's move to the side. To get f inverse of x, this is what I'm going to write. Now just watch what you're going to do. You just write f inverse of x to replace x here. Okay, now what to replace y is now x. We replace x with f inverse of x. We'll replace y with x. So this will be equals to 5 into x minus 1 over 3. Do you understand? So that's how we look for inverse of a function. The first step is to change f of x to y. All right, and then the next step is to make x the subject formula, and then lastly, when x is the subject formula, we'll change this x to f inverse of x. Y will become x. Okay, so that's what we do. If you don't understand, please drop it on the comment section. Maybe I'll do another video to follow up this particular video. But before you go, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video. Bye bye.